Yep. Serious, dude? Are you stupid? Wow.
Literally was zoned out. You know what I mean? Oh my God, did you just see that? He went to pass that guy and then these cars are... You dick! That's what you got, karma! I have a Dashcam. I could maybe... Yeah, it's a who cop? What'd you say? Karma cop. Oh.
My problem, the major problem I have with you is that you don't follow through. So
gonna check my bank account too, because I had like 1,200 or 1,300 on my checking, and then out of nowhere when I checked today, I only have like less than 1,000.
John Patrick. Boom! Whoa, baby! Okay, pull over, dude. We gotta do something here. That's crazy. This Ed.
Head southeast.
That might be dead in that shit. Call 911, Ed. Okay, they're dead. Fuck. He's dead. Check too.
SK030.
Where are you going?
Okay, so you have to move up.
Yeah.
There's nobody coming.
You can't go. Oh, what?